So what is water descaler? Well, a water descaler is a little device that prevents calcium and magnesium minerals from building up and the scale deposit in the pipes. If you look at your shower heads and faucet, you'll see that little white chalky deposit around the shower heads. That caused by the calcium and the magnesium buildup.
Alright, I'm gonna install electronic descaler right here. That's where the main water pipeline coming up, shooting up from the foundation and all the way up to the attic, which is this pipe right here. I'm going to install two of them, one right there and the other one right there. So there's two different ways to do this. The way you wrap the pipe with this wire right here. If the water flows from the left to the right, you wrap it counterclockwise. So if you do the other way around, if the water flow this way, going from the right to the left, then you wrap it clockwise. Wrap this counterclockwise. Then the blue one counterclockwise, so it go around this pipe right here like that.
And then you use the supply zip ties to zip tie both ends on the red wire and on the blue wire.
Alright, this is how it should look like. Now it's time to plug it in. You can see it start working already. Alright, this is my second unit. I'm gonna put this right here, and the water, it flows from down there, all the way up here, from right to left. So I gotta wrap it clockwise. Alright, just done. That's my setup. Now it's on. As you can see, that light move from left to right. So it's gonna start working in about 3 to 4 weeks. So I'm gonna keep an eye on them. So I went ahead and zip tied this one down so it wouldn't move. And I also zip tied this one down to the pipe just to stabilize it. That's it, all done. Pretty easy and simple to do. Anyone can do it. Thanks for watching.